The PNI IP2MP camera can be controlled from mobile devices via the VM iCloud compatible Android and iOS application and from the PC through the general CMS software. The installation file of the CMS can be found on the CD included in the package, or you can download it from our site from the product page download section. The PNI IP2MP video camera is equipped with 2.8 to 12mm varifocal lenses that allow you to set the zoom and focus points. The camera has 42 infrared lights, allowing you to view at night at a distance of up to 50 meters. It can be used for surveillance of homes, offices, factories, shops, hospitals, etc. Simple, convenient and real-time. You can record images taken from your camcorder on a computer, over the internet, or on an NVR, provided that it has at least one HDD set to read-write mode. You can use the product to monitor interior and exterior spaces. The IP66 protection class guarantees the isolation of the interior components from the humidity and dust chambers.